In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this OnePlus. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Over here. Then look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, tap on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is now enabled. If you want to disable it, you can do that by choosing the same shortcut one more time. But if you want to, you can always go into settings as well, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate. If it's blue, that means that auto rotation is on. In order to turn it off, click on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like,